Hello, I'm Michael. In this video, we will deploy the BusinessBot platform with Docker. Before you start installation, you should already have Docker installed and configured. If not, you should do it now. Video tutorials can be found on YouTube or directly on docker.com. What is Docker? While virtual machines isolate the entire operating system, Docker isolates them at application level. The applications are provided in isolated containers. A Docker container combines a single application with all its dependencies such as libraries, tools, and data into one image file, but does not contain the entire operating system. Therefore, it is to be understood as a lightweight virtualization and thus significantly leaner than virtual machines, which contain the complete operating system. Containers require significantly less resources than virtual machines, since they do not have to start a separate operating system and instead run in the context of the host operating system. However, the containers are isolated from each other and the host operating system, although not as much as virtual machines. The Docker containers of the BusinessBot platform can be found on Docker Hub. First of all, we look at the BusinessBot platform images on Docker Hub. Therefore, we go to hub.docker.com and search for C2 News. Here we will find three different images. The DB, which is MySQL, the application server, which is Tomcat, and the platform included, and the database setup as the last image. To download and start the images, we need the Docker Compose file, which contains all definitions of the Docker environment and associated Docker images. The Docker Compose file can be downloaded from the BusinessBot platform documentation at c2news.de. Therefore, we go to C2 News. Under Resources, we will find the documentation and the documentation part Community Edition. Open the documentation and then on the navigation panel we search for Installation and Docker. When we scroll down, we will find the Docker Compose file. Now we save the Docker Compose file to our local system. Then we open a console and change to the directory where the Docker Compose file is located. Now we just have to enter Docker Compose app so that the images of the Docker Hub are downloaded and afterwards the containers are started. This process can take up to few minutes. The containers are now up and running. The BusinessBot platform can now be accessed with the browser at following address. Just type localhost on port 8080. So now we see here the login mask for the BusinessBot platform and can continue to set up the platform. To see which images has been downloaded, we just open a second console and type the following command. The Docker command docker images ls list all downloaded images. If you want to see all Docker containers, then just type Docker container ls. If we now want to stop all containers of the BusinessBot platform, we have to switch into the same directory where the Docker Compose file is located, and then just type following command: Docker Compose down. This will stop all running containers. When we switch back to the initial console, we will see that the console will list some commands to indicate that the platform is shutting down. In this video, we have successfully deployed the BusinessBot platform with Docker and are able to start the configuration and administration of this platform. If you want to know more about the BusinessBot platform and how it is installed on other operating systems, just click on our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much and goodbye.